Hello, my name is Teacher Mick. We're here today at Mark for Future International Day. We're going to make cinnamon rolls from Sweden. So this is what we are going to make. We need bread. First thing we need to do is cut off the crusts of the bread. Okay, next we use a rolling pin and we're going to roll the bread really thin. Okay, next we have cream cheese and butter. Put some of that on there. Spread that. That's enough. And here in this bowl we have the ground cinnamon with some sugar. Sprinkle some onto our cream cheese. Now we have to roll this up. Wow, it smells nice, really nice. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, there we are. Now we slice it into very small cinnamon rolls. One more. Put them on our plate. Okay, there we have cinnamon rolls from Sweden. Thank you very much. Bye bye.